Okay, yeah. So the topic is describe a leisure activity near or on the sea that you want to try. You want to try means future, right? When you go to a foreign country and there you want to try any free time activity on the beach. Okay? So you have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Please start.
I prefer mountains over beaches because as I live in Lahore, so there are no beaches near to Lahore. So we like to go to mountainous areas toward north, like Naran and Kagan Valley. But recently, my friend went to Karachi beach and he enjoyed wonderful activities. One of them was water skiing and beach boogie. It was his interest, and when I watch his video, uh, it interest it was a fun. So it encouraged me to go for a beach boogie annual competition in Karachi. So before this, I have to lose some weight and become physically fit and prepare for this and annual got vaccination for this, and it will be enjoyable for me and I will love.
Okay, the first thing is your answer needs proper organization. Second, it needs clarity. Okay, initially when you said mountains and all that, in Lahore we don't have any mountain. We have only Shimla Pahadi, which is not a Pahadi. Okay, so the starting was not good. You should have started from the beach or any area like that. And by the way, the question is leisure activity which you would like to try, means future. So as where do you want to go to? Which country? What's your destination country?
Canada.
Canada. So in Canada, you can talk about any Canadian beach and leisure activity there. So it should have been all in future, and you involved your friend, which was not even required.
But
Then
it was written in Makarites.
no, you should not read the book. You should come up with your own ideas. Yeah, this Makkarites will not be with you all the time, right? These are their ideas. And by the way, examiners are aware when you are speaking spontaneously and when you are actually reading something or recalling something from your memory. So you will get low bench score. Come up with your own ideas. We have a beach in Karachi. Talk about that. Any
Monora
activity you
Beach.
want to try there, or in Canada, you can talk about it. It's all in future. It's not about present. Okay, then grammatical mistakes are there, and vocabulary, you're using very limited vocabulary and you are reusing the same words again and again. Okay, so pronunciation is another issue. Tenses, present, past, future, you should take care of that as well. So looking at your overall performance at present, I'll give you 5, but you can improve once you have proper organization of your answer, proper clarity. Let me ask you a few questions from part 3. Why do children like the sea more than adults?
Children like the sea because they like to collect seashells over there and make castle out of sand, and they like to swim in beach.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much indeed.